If you're choosing between Morpholio Trace and SketchUp, this isn't just app versus app, it's sketching versus modeling. So, which one is actually better for architects? Let's break it down. Morpholio Trace is built for concept design and sketching. It's essentially digital tracing paper on an iPad, with layers, scale rulers, and Apple Pencil support, letting architects quickly draw plans, sections, and ideas in a very natural way. But here's the catch. It's not a full modeling tool. You're drawing ideas, not building detailed 3D models or construction-ready outputs. SketchUp takes the opposite approach. It's a 3D modeling platform widely used in architecture for visualizing buildings, interiors, and layouts. It's intuitive, has tons of plugins, and is used by professionals for concept models and presentations. The downside is that it's less natural for quick sketching, and its 2D drafting and advanced features can be limited without plugins. So the real difference is this. Morpholio Trace helps you think and sketch ideas, while SketchUp helps you build and visualize those ideas in 3D, from real user workflows. Concept sketching in Trace, then modeling in SketchUp. SketchUp is great for quick 3D studies and visualization. So, which one is better for architects? Choose Morpholio Trace if you want fast, natural sketching for concept site ideas and early-stage design. Choose SketchUp if you need 3D models, client presentations, and spatial visualization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.